Imagine standing on the edge of a massive river. The current is strong, powerful, unstoppable. You've seen it flow in the same direction your entire life, but suddenly, something feels off. The ground beneath you trembles. The water begins to slow, then churn. And then, it does the impossible. The river starts moving. Backwards, uphill, against everything it was ever meant to do. This isn't fiction. In New Madrid earthquakes, the mighty Mississippi River actually reversed its flow. For a moment in history, nature broke its own rules to survive. And here's the truth. This isn't just a story about a river. It's a story about you. There are moments in life when everything feels stable, predictable, safe. You know the direction you're going. You trust the flow. And then, something hits. A setback. A betrayal. A loss. A failure you didn't see coming. And suddenly, your life doesn't flow forward anymore. It feels like everything is moving against you. The harder you try, the more resistance you feel. You question yourself. You wonder, why is this happening to me? But here's what most people don't realize. The earthquake isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of your transformation. When the earthquake struck in 1812, it didn't just shake the land. It reshaped reality. The river didn't choose to reverse. It was forced to. But instead of breaking apart, instead of disappearing, it adapted. It surged backward. It defied expectation. It survived. And that's where the real lesson begins. Because in your life, there will be moments when forward is no longer possible. When the path disappears. When the world shifts so violently that the only direction left is the one you never imagined. Backwards, sideways, or completely unknown. And in those moments, you have two choices. You can resist, or you can adapt. We've been taught something wrong. We're told that strength means keep going forward, push harder, never stop, never slow down. Well, what if that's not real strength? What if real strength is this? The ability to keep moving, even when the direction changes. The river didn't say, this isn't how it's supposed to be. It didn't panic. It didn't quit. It moved with the new reality. And that's what resilience actually looks like. Not stubbornness, not blind persistence, but intelligent adaptation. Because sometimes, the only way forward is to go backward first. Right now, you might feel like life is pushing you in the wrong direction. Like you're losing ground. Like you're falling behind. Like everyone else is moving forward, while you're stuck fighting the current. But what if this isn't failure? What if this is preparation? Because think about it. When the river reversed, it didn't stay that way forever. It eventually found its flow again. Stronger. Changed. Reshaped. And so will you, this phase. This resistance. This confusion. It's not your end. It's your rebuilding. There is a river inside you. A force. A flow. A strength you haven't fully understood yet. And when life shakes you, when everything turns upside down, when nothing goes the way you planned, remember this. So don't fear the reversal. Don't fight the change. Don't lose yourself in the chaos. Because sometimes, the moment that feels most wrong is actually the moment that's redirecting you to where you truly belong. If this changed the way you see your struggles, subscribe to Mindblow Discovery for more stories that shift your perspective. Because sometimes, the truth you need most is hidden in the stories you've never heard.